Hi, here's a Hampton Bay Farmington fan made by Air Cool. I'm going to turn on low. Let me show on medium and high. It's dated March 2009. It is actually one of the first Farmington I had seen. I know a restaurant which had 3 Farmington, and those were the first Farmington I had seen, and later another restaurant took over and removed 2 of them. And then later, they removed the last one, which is the one you're seeing right now. And they threw in the trash. And I picked it from the trash. Also, the grease damaged the blade finish, so I had to wipe all that off. So what you see is just the plain MDF blades. I had to restain the blades. Normally, Farmington is not one of the fans I would actually want to keep. Why am I actually keep this one? Because it's one of the first Farmington I had ever seen. The faster is bad since high is not much faster than medium and doesn't blow very much air. But it doesn't wobble and is silent. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.